My market wrap for Wednesday, December 28th, 2016. A sell off occurred today. It was flat most of the day, and then near the tail end, it tailed off. Triple digit loss for the Dow. So 20,000 is a little bit farther away today. But I feel like, listening to the sentiment out there, that 20,000 might happen before New Year's. So let's keep some hope out there. I mean, listen, it doesn't mean much of anything. It's more of a psychological barrier. But a pullback is healthy. It is. I mean, you got PE multiples that are overextended a little bit, need to come back down. So things are looking better. Let's get into it. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed down 111.36 points to 19,833.68, or down 0.56%. The Nasdaq Composite closed down 48.89 points to 5438.56, or down 0.89%. The S&P 500 closed down 0.2, or down 0.84%. The small cap Russell 2000 closed down 16.88 points to 1360.83, or down 1.23%. Moving on to some other indices today, the Nasdaq 100 Triple Qs closed down 39.52 points to 4926.29, or down 0.80%. The S&P Midcap 400 Index closed down 17.73 points to 1662.50, or down 1.06%. The S&P Small Cap 600 Index closed down 10.18 points to 839.61, or down 1.20%. The NYSE Composite Index closed down 87.52 points to 11,058.88, down 0.79%. The XAU, the Gold and Silver Index, closed up 1.30 points to 77.30, or up 1.71%. The SOX Index, the Semiconductor Index, this is a pretty bad hit today for this one. Down 18.12 points to 921.09, or 1.93%, so just another 2% loss. And this is good. This is what you want to see on a down day. The CBOE volatility, or the VIX index, closed up 0.57 points to 12.86, or up 7.26%. Moving on to market internals today. I almost jumped the gun. Volume was a little heavier than yesterday. Not too bad, but obviously a negative connotation, and you'll see in a second. On the New York Stock Exchange today, total share volume traded 2.38 billion shares, of which 472 million was advancing, 1.877 billion was declining, so there's your huge disparity in volume, and 38 million shares were unchanged. Looking at the Nasdaq Composite, 1.31, let's round it up to 1.32 billion shares traded, of which 234 million were advancing, 1.0 was declining, and 19 million were unchanged. Looking at the NYSE market, or AMEX, total share volume, 106 million shares total, of which 49 million were advancing, 50 million were declining, and 6 million were unchanged. Now, again, I want to reemphasize these are rounded numbers, so it may seem a little bit closer than it sounds like, but they're rounded, just easier to do it that way. Looking at the advanced decline line, or market breadth, this is totally telling here. It's more than 2 to 1 negative, and you'll see. On the New York Stock Exchange, issues advancing 816. 2,200 issues declining, so it's what? Just about almost 2.5 to 1 decliners to advancers today, and 101 issues were unchanged. Same story on the NASDAQ, just about 3 to 1. 765 issues advancing, 2,097 declining, and 144 issues were unchanged. Looking at the NYSE market, or AMEX, this is just about, let's say, equal. 149 issues advancing, 170 declining, so slightly negative, not by much, and 20 issues unchanged. But you can see there, on a true negative day, how everything just confirms itself. We've had down days before, but everything was basically even. So you get to see there how the index can mask the true direction of the market versus today it was a straight confirmation, 3-1, 2-1, decliners over advancers. Volume was, almost by a magnitude of 10-1 down, So you can definitely see that. And that's what you want to see. That's how you know everything is working in check, regardless of what direction the market goes. You want to see confirmation in the inside, how it works. So let's get on to the currency and commodity section. In currencies versus the US dollar, the euro, 104.15, down 0.0042. Sorry about that. The Japanese yen, 117.17, down 0.26. And my favorite currency, the English pound, 122.19, down 0.0052. Australian dollar, 0.7184, unchanged. Swiss franc, 1.0281, up 0.0001. Looking at the commodities today, West Texas Intermediate crude up 1 cent to $53.91 a barrel, up 0.02%. Brent North Sea crude, 56.17, up 0.08 or 0.14%. The price of gold, $1,143.70, up $4.90 per troy ounce, or up 0.43%. Price of silver, $16.085, $16 and now 9 cents per ounce, up 0.101 cents. It's confusing sometimes, guys. Up 0.63%. Sorry about that. Going on to equity index futures, Dow Jones futures contract down 99 points to 19,777, or down 0.5%. The E-mini S&P 500 contract down 15.50 to 2245.50, or down 0.69%. And finally, looking at the 10-year bond, price up 13/32 of a point, yield to maturity down to 2.514%. So, all in all, it was just a breather, a big-time breather from the rally that we had. It's healthy, it's good. So, maybe tomorrow we'll see a rally that'll push us over. We're really not that far away. So, again, it's psychological level, doesn't mean much, but it'd be nice if it got there, sooner than later. So that way we don't have to hear it on the media all the time. Anyway, well, I want to thank you for watching this. And if this video is of any use to you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please support me on Patreon. Link will be in the description. And as always, never give up on your dreams. Always persevere. And fight the good fight, no matter what obstacles life throws at you. Never give up. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful evening, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.